Your kitchen counter is about to lose a massive amount of territory, and you need to decide right now if that sacrifice is actually worth the payoff. We are looking at a machine that tries to be every single appliance you own, all wrapped up in a shiny stainless steel box with a famous chef's name on the front. The specific extra-large air fryer oven is a monster, and I mean that in every sense of the word. Most people see those double French doors and think they have finally found the ultimate solution for family dinners. But let's be real for a second. This thing is absolutely huge. If you are working with a cramped kitchen or limited prep space, you might want to measure twice before you even think about bringing this home. It is essentially a high-powered convection oven that wants to convince you it is just a simple air fryer. Because it has such a massive interior capacity, it can handle a whole chicken or enough appetizers to feed a crowded party. That sounds great on paper. But that extra volume changes the physics of your cooking. In a small, dedicated bucket-style fryer, the air moves fast and hits the food instantly. In this giant unit, the air has a lot more ground to cover. That means your frozen fries or chicken wings might not reach that legendary level of crunch you were hoping for. You might find yourself waiting a little longer for the heat to penetrate, and you will definitely need to keep an eye on things. Many people report that they have to reach in and rotate the trays or flip the food halfway through just to keep the browning even. It is not exactly a set it and forget it situation, especially if you are using multiple racks at once. On the flip side, the ergonomics are fantastic. Those French doors open wide, which makes it so much easier to slide heavy trays in and out without worrying about burning your forearms on a hot door. The digital interface is packed with options, dozens of them. You can dehydrate fruit, you can roast a chicken, or you can just toast a bagel. It really does try to replace your toaster, your traditional oven, and your specialized air fryer all at once. You can find this model at almost any major retailer, from the big box giants to the massive online marketplaces. You can even find them used if you want to save a few bucks, but you have to weigh the cost against the utility. If you have a big family and you are tired of cooking in tiny batches, the sheer scale of this machine is a godsend. It saves you from running the big wall oven for every little thing. But if you're a stickler for the absolute crispiest results, or if you only cook for 1 or 2 people, this might be overkill. It is a versatile tool, but it requires a bit of a learning curve to master the heat distribution. You are buying convenience and volume, not necessarily the peak performance of a single-purpose machine. Think about your daily routine, and whether you actually have the room to let this beast live on your counter permanently. It is a heavy-duty commitment for any home cook, and while the polished finish looks great, you have to be sure you're actually going to use all those specialized settings. Some people find that they only ever use the basic air fry mode, while others discover they love the baking functions. It is about matching the tool to your actual lifestyle, rather than just buying the biggest thing on the shelf because it has a celebrity name on it. Take a look at your space, think about your favorite meals, and decide if you want a multi-tool or a specialist. The stainless finish and the digital display make it feel like a premium upgrade, but the performance is where the reality sets in. If you have the room and the crowd to feed, it is a solid contender. But for the minimalist, it might just be a giant paperweight. It is all about how you plan to use that massive interior.